wondering how I turned this into this. And by the way, this is the most perfect, juiciest and easy grilled chicken. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef Bosse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make the perfect oven grilled chicken. Let's get right into it. First off, you are going to wash your chicken, and by the way, this is a soft chicken that I'm using. Then I'm just going to add them inside the bowl. Next step is for us to add our grated pepper, grated onion. This is our Suya spice. You need your Suya spice in order for you to elevate the flavor of your chicken. Next step is to add our Cayenne pepper. Next step is a little bit of curry, our ginger and garlic powder, 1 no seasoning cube for taste. Last but not the least, sesame oil. All you have to do at this stage is just for you to mix this until it is well and properly combined. So after mixing this, I just kept it between 15 to 20 minutes for it to marinate properly, and then I just kept it inside the oven tray, and then I baked for 20 minutes front and back. Like I had to flip it over that 10 minutes each, and at the end of the day, this is what we have. This is easy, this is juicy, this is perfect. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.